Good morning, everybody. It's October 30. And a little after 11 o'clock, getting out here later because Diego and Niana are coming out. So Diego's going to be helping me some. What I want to do is I want to take caulking and liquid nails and just kind of go around and do some quality control. Like around this post, I want to seal that in. And then I got some spots above where it meets the roof here and there. I want to do a little filling in. It's not maybe not necessary the whole thing. I don't know. I'll take these little Tyvek strips and fill in here. Even though trim is going to go on here. So just going to work our way around the house and find gaps and stuff that look like they need attention. For just in case. Alright, that's what we're going to be working on today, and let's get to work. So this around the bottom of there I filled with liquid nails. I got this kind of thing. I'm not knowing how detailed I need to get on sealing that, because if we have to do that around the whole house, it's a lot of caulking, and I just don't know if it's even necessary once it gets painted and everything. But those gaps that are a little bit bigger, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in with some caulking that can be painted on. It's made for windows and doors and whatever, so I'm gonna give that a shot, see how that goes. Alright, after doing that, I'm thinking about what's necessary and what's not. I'm still debating, but I'm leaning toward just filling in the spots that have bigger gaps. And the ones that it's butted up against this up there, just leave it, and I think it'll create more of a mess trying to seal it than anything else. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to lean toward. We'll see throughout the day what I end up doing. Sometimes change my mind, you know, you have time to think about it. Well, I kind of like what I'm doing there. It feels like I'm not completing the job. First of all, that's going to take a lot of caulking if I go around the whole thing. I can tell that. But just filling in around the big gaps, I'm feeling that's going to do it. And probably in the long run, maybe over the next couple of years, if I don't have a project to do, or homestead's all running nice and smooth and houses are done, that could be a project we can go around and caulk. Anyway, I'm just going to do this for now the way I'm doing it. Diego and Brent are my get the high stuff people. It freaks me out. That's awesome. And here, I'm going to go ahead and start right here cleaning around these posts. I'm going to go ahead and put these metal pieces on today, I think. Because kind of got down both sides where I'm comfortable at reaching, and then Diego's going to get the ends for me, hopefully, for the most part. And there's Athena. Everywhere she goes, she gets stuff dirty, like with this arm. She was helping me dig a while ago. those things I'm just gonna, oh, I hope I didn't go too high. Probably did. Yep. Oh. Well, luckily this stuff's paintable. That'd probably be the better idea, better way to do it. Alright, that should protect the pole for a while. Diego got up along here. We had a lot of gaps on these end ones, a lot more than the side ones. I see a little bit of liquid nail running there. I guess we could peel that off later. Yeah, these ones end up being kind of more gaps than the side ones. Now Diego's up there putting the finishing touches on it. Alright, we finished things a little faster than I thought we would. I was supposed to meet an electrician out here today at 5:30, but he's agreed to change things till 9:30 tomorrow morning, so that'll work out good because I don't want to stay out here for 4 more hours. I don't know what time it is. It's close to that though. I mean, by the time we would leave here. So Diego got most of this up here. I was wanting to caulk around these things, but I think we're going to take them off, even though they were a pain to get on. That way we can paint underneath, and it'll be a little bit more weatherproof underneath that, and then we can caulk around it after we put them back on. Alright, I'm going to be back out here tomorrow. Valentina should be with me tomorrow. We'll meet with the electrician, and I think we're going to do some painting around all the windows so that I can get started on trim on the outside, and then I can also we're going to do battens just on the outside on the front. All right, so I am got a few things to do on the way home, and we'll pick it up tomorrow. We'll see you next time I'm out here.